Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy Lit Candles here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Ready Player 2 Sharkbite event where you get the Riptide helmet. So first, obviously you're going to need to be in Sharkbite, and next, this is the first step for the event. First step, what you're going to need to do is, once you get in the game, you're going to need to become the shark. Sadly, this is during the night. I wish it was during the day, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get shark here. Yes, I got the shark. And do you see those red little buoys out there? What you're going to need to do is hit all 4 of the buoys that are out there. And once you hit all 4 of them, you're going to unlock something called a super boost. And this super boost is going to let you break into this little cave, and it'll give you the next quest. So I'm going to show you where the buoys are and how to, break into the thing. It is timed. You only have about 2.5 minutes to do this. So you have to do this very quickly. And I'm not sure if the steps are going to save or not. So let's say, you disconnect. I don't know if the steps are going to save. Some games, the steps do save. Some games, they don't. But you can see the red little buoy out there. I recommend putting on your graphics quality a little bit higher so you can actually see the buoys out there. And here, I'm going to come out. I'm not sure what to do after this. So all I'm doing is just showing you this first. Holy crap, it is so dark. Okay, I don't believe you have to do this in any particular, the buoys in any order. So I wish it didn't. Okay, I hit that first one. My problem is, though, I'm probably going to run to the same buoy 10 times because I'm stupid. And this is extremely sensitive as the shark. I wish that you didn't go this fast as the shark. I wish you could slow down just a little. Slow down a little. But yeah, I just recommend you trying to keep your cursor up as high as, oh, here's another buoy right here, unless it's the same one. Oh, come on, let me hit it. Okay, I hit it. I think I see, yeah, there's another buoy in the distance, and there's Mother Hen on her little, oh, it's daytime, thank God. Okay, actually, I might just re-show where all the buoys are at, but I do only have 100 seconds, so I might not. So here is buoy number 3. Alright, please, buoy number 4, you can... I think this might be buoy number 4, or this is buoy number 1 again, but I'm running into. See, that's the problem. The buoys are I don't know, I wish they marked or showed some indication that you hit them already. Okay, yes, I got the super boost. So it's actually not that hard. This is the first time I've even tried to do this. Alright guys, so now that you have the super boost, you're going to need to go to the island with the lighthouse. And where the lighthouse is, there is the little green cracked cave. As you can see right here, you super boost into it and you break in. Okay, you found me. You destroyed my home. Well, Leonard, that's your own fault for having a terrible home. Here I can hide from the horrors of the real world, the virtual oasis where I am most happy. Clean seas, fresh bubbles, no overfishing. This is getting political. Seeing as you've destroyed my hideout, you must help me. Actually, no, that's not how this works, but okay. Clear that trash from the bottom of the ocean. It's been there since 1912. I just noticed there's something behind him. I got some super modifier buoys around here somewhere for you to use as floats. Oh, I just can't remember where I put them. Come see me when you've done. That actually might be the super buoys behind him. Oh, time's up. Wow, I just finished that in the nick of time. Holy crap. But yeah, now that you've done that, you have to find where the super buoys are at. I have no clue where that is. This is just the first part of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you want a part 2 of this, let me know down below and I will make it. That is all for you guys. Peace out. Alright, cool.